Hello everyone, welcome to this TouchDesigner tutorial where I wanted to show you a method for switching between the videos with this little chop system. So we're gonna build this from scratch, and the idea is that when the last video has been shown, you fade back to the first one. So I think a lot of you wanted to know how to create a system like this. So as you can see here, I've plugged in the first video as the last input of the switch. So I'm going to show you how I made this, and yeah, let's get started. So just start from a blank project, load in 5 videos, and let's create a switch top that we can connect the rest of the videos to, and also the first one. So yeah, like this. Then just create a null, we'll call it PG, whatever, and let's display this, actually not for the moment. Now let's create a keyboardinCHOP and add a count. After that, the count, we will set it this time not to 4 but to 5. So this way we can loop back and add a filter after that, and just a null chop to make things clean. So yeah, you're gonna use this null, you can call it video vidn or something, whatever you want. Let's add it, let's drag the reference to the switch by making this active. And now from the filter, so right now let's test it. You can see we're changing videos, but we need to toggle this blend between inputs. So now it's gonna blend between them. And from the filter here, let's create a logic, and this logic we will set it to when outside bounds, and we will set the bounds to 4.9 and 5, so that when the filter reaches almost 5, it's gonna reset so we can create a null here. It's gonna reset back to the first video. So the reason we added to the last is that we can get the fade between the last video and the first video, and then like we reset it. So let me show you. So yeah, to reset, we just drag this null to the pulse of the count. And oh yeah, we get this cook dependency loop. So this is a problem. So in order to solve this, actually we need to insert here a feedback. So this will add a frame that will solve all your problems. I discovered this pretty late, but it's an amazing trick. So yeah, once you've connected this to the pulse, you can also connect it to the reset pulse of the filter. So these two, and that's it. So here we switch between the videos, and once we arrive back to this, we can just loop again, so just pressing 1 all the time. So it's perfect. So yeah, I hope you find this useful in order to show your videos. Yeah, feel free to ask any questions or anything else. And as always, have a good day. Bye-bye.